Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing sweet nombu adai, also called vella adai. For this we require rice flour 1 cup, jaggery 3/4 cup, grated coconut 3 tablespoon, karamani 3 tablespoon. It is also called cow pea or black-eyed pea. I have soaked these beans for overnight and cooked in pressure cooker for 1 whistle or till it becomes soft like this. Take rice flour in a pan and dry roast it on medium flame. Roast till slightly color changes and steam comes out. Remove in a plate and set aside. In the same pan, add 2.5 cup of water. Add 3/4 cup of jaggery to it. Here I am using organic jaggery, so there is no need to strain the jaggery syrup. When jaggery syrup starts to boil, add half teaspoon cardamom powder, 3 tablespoon grated coconut and 3 tablespoon cooked beans. When the jaggery syrup started to boil again, lower the flame and add the roasted rice flour. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. When it gets together well, switch off the flame and set aside till it cools a little. When the dough cools down a bit, start preparing adai. Dip your fingers in water and take a lemon-sized ball. Flatten it with your palm and with your finger make a dent in the center. Repeat the same procedure and shape all the adais. Now arrange in a steamer plate and steam it for 10 minutes. You can also use your idli stand for this. Our vella adai is ready to serve. We serve this with butter and it tastes best with it.